Hi, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're asking for just a few moments to show just how easy it is to identify students with excessive absences. So let's start exploring. From the Attendance menu, select Perfect/Excessive Attendance. Then click the Excessive Absences tab. You'll notice there's a variety of drop-down menus and features that allow your final report to showcase the information that's important to you. So for this example, let's go ahead and select 8 daily absences, the time frame for the current school year, but please note you can change this time frame and even do a custom feature. You'll select a period from the Show Teacher drop-down if you'd like a column to show the teacher name based on a set period. This could be beneficial when looking to identify trends at your school. If you'd like to ignore excused absences, you can go ahead and select the checkbox above. Once all your selections have been made, go ahead and select the Go button. You'll notice here that we have one student identified with excessive absences based on the criteria we set. If we'd like to learn more about the student's attendance, we can click the student name and be brought to the student's absence summary screen. If you'd like to learn more about the absence summary screen, click the link above. Thanks for exploring the excessive absences report with us. If there's a topic you'd like to be featured, send us your feedback by clicking the link in the description below. See you next time!